right, all right, all right. Because I like making videos, I'm making another one. Yeah. So simple, right? How to make a drop down in a Google Sheet. So this is more like, you can do it during school, but this is like really cool if you do after school activities, if you run the yearbook club, or if you're just a geek like me and might like to make drop downs for no reason. So basically, it's gonna save you your digits, right? We have 5 digits on our hand. Wait, I don't know if we have 5. I don't think a thumb is a digit, but we save you from carpal tunnel because the less typing, the better, right? So, all right, I went off on a tangent. So here we go. If you have a simple little table right here, right, and say you're doing something for a fundraiser, and you want to put a student's name, right, and you want to get their shirt size, the color of their shirt that they want, and the grade they're in, right? This is just random questions, right? You don't want to have to type every single time shirt size, extra large, color, blue, right? You want to pick from a pre-selected list, correct? Yes, makes sense. So how do you do that? First things first, pick the cell in which you would like to start, right? So obviously in shirt size, I'm going to pick the cell right underneath it. Then you're going to hit data and then data validation, okay? Now, the criteria is up to you. Obviously, in this case, we're going to pick text. But if you want to get snazzy with it, right, you could do list from a range, make a list of items separated by commas, number between 1 and 10, right? Text contains, right? So I think for this one, you pick whatever category it works best for you, right? So we're going to have text, but we're also going to have a list of items. So we're going to click to items. And all you do is enter in the list of items that you want in the drop down separated by a comma. So shirt size, let's do XL, comma, L, comma, M, comma, S, done, right? Then you hit save. And look at that. A drop down appears right here with those colors. I mean, not colors, words, right? So when John Doe comes up and says, yo, I want a shirt size extra large, you'd be like, boom, damn, there it is, right? And it's not you typing it out, right? Now, how do you make it go down the entire column, right? You don't have to do this for every cell. All you have to do is click, right? Let me zoom in a little bit. I can't. That's right. You click, I can do it right here. You click on the little blue, blue thing right here, and you just drag it all the way down, okay? And now that applies to every single cell that you want it to, okay? And you do the same thing for color. You left click in the cell, you go to data, data validation, list from items, and let's go blue, red, yellow. Bam, then you hit save, right? And then again, you click on the little blue line right here, blue square right here, and you just drag it all the way down, okay? That's it. Okay, and then you would just do that for the grade as well, right? And then that way it shows you, the drop down for that category, okay? If you have any questions, contact me or, where is she?
What?
Contact me or,
Melissa.
there you go.